everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Random Blind Bag Bin. Today we're going to be picking 5 different toys to open. Let's go ahead and get to it. Let's pick a couple at a time. Ooh, a Noms Light 1.2 and a Shopkin. Season 8 World Tour. Got a Marvel Tsum mystery pack. Ooh, and I hope I get a flocked one. I want one so bad. And one more. What's this? Ooh, a Gacha Capsule. Okay, well, let's open those up. Okay, so it's actually been a couple days since I picked the toys and since I opened them, between, opening them and picking them. So I'm sorry about that. Things have been kind of crazy in my life. I've got some squishy packages coming up where I'll talk about it on camera. So let's just start off with our Marvel Tsum. Also, Patches, the new kitty, she is here. So I'm not going to be surprised if she walks all over the background. Oh. Huh. So, you are... Oh, we got Ant-Man. How funny. Oh, that's weird. Okay, building it was super easy because it was just 3 parts and it was very obvious where all of them go. And here's Ant-Man. I can't say I have any experience with Ant-Man. I've never read a comic or seen the movie, but I think it's funny that they included him. I think that's good. Okay, let's open up this My Little Pony. So, I really, really want one of the flocked ones. And if I don't get a flocked one, I want one that has color. I keep getting the crystal ones, and they're driving me crazy. But I really want a fuzzy one. No! No! Okay, we got... Is this Sweetie Belle or Rarity? I think it's Rarity. So, even though she's my favorite pony, I'm very annoyed that she's not flocked and she's just crystal. When I bought these, I tried to pick like all over the case so I could get some. Okay, so looking at the checklist, it's basically a 1 in 4 chance that you'll get a flocked one. So they're a bit rarer than I thought they were. Okay, next up, I want to open these Noms. Series 1.2. I never did open all of them that I had in my box. I only got 3 of the new season because, I don't know. There's something about the lights that I just don't enjoy, like the regular Noms. I just don't think they're as creative. Okay, it looks like we've got like some kind of orange jello. She's pretty cute. And then I'll pull this. And sweet. Lights up. Cool. Okay, I actually remember using the secret code trick to get this one. This is Madeline Mango. It's not orange. She smells good. She smells just like a mango. Next up, I want to open this Gacha. I actually can't see inside, so I have no idea what this is, because some of these Gachas that are in there I ordered a really long time ago. Like, I don't think I've placed an order with Candy-san since, like, January, maybe? I might just be having bad memory. Oh, it's cinema roll. So this is back from when I ordered several gashapon from the cinema roll set. And here they are sleeping. Look at those little hands. So cute. These are the ones you can get. Oh, they're so cute. I got this one. It like hangs on a glass. Okay. Last one, we've got our Shopkins. I haven't opened too many of these, so I'm excited to see who's in here. I really want the German pretzel. Even though I know he's like super easy to find in the 5-packs and like the 12-packs. I don't know, I just really want the pretzel. I think it's cute. A lot of the food ones I really like. There's some pastas from Italy and stuff. I just really enjoy the food ones the most. Oh, sweet. I think this is lasagna. She's really cute. Some fresh basil. Oh, she's so cute. And let's see who's here. Oh, cute. I think this is Lederhosen. Which is very German. So I was right, that's Lars Lederhosen. And I believe that green dot means is common. And where am I going? I got Luigi Lasagna. So they're both actually boy Shopkins. That's interesting. Oh, sorry. The green dot means rare. So Luigi Lasagna is common, but the Lederhosen is rare. That's cool. Yeah, and then it's interesting. They made everything from Spain and ultra rare. So cool. Alright, well, that's it for this video. If I had to choose a favorite, probably be Cinema Roll and Luigi Lasagna. He's really cute. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!